What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of the Rabbit Build. Unfortunately, I lost a little bit of footage of me sealing the seams of the shaved bay, but I fortunately picked up a VR6 donor car for the project. So officially the car is going to be a VR6 swapped instead of the 1.8T or the ABA that was in it originally. Not originally, but yeah, I got a 2000 Jetta AFP 5-speed, the 160,000 original miles. Runs pretty good. Got it for 900 bucks off of a Facebook group. The interior's in pretty shitty shape, but I don't need that. I do have some footage of me sanding, and we're gonna get to that now. so now I just have some filler sander so I can start sanding it and getting it smooth, and there's a couple rough spots I have to finish up, but it's damn near close to where I want it to be. Alright, thank you guys so much for tuning in to another episode of the Rabbit Build. I really appreciate it. Leave a like if you enjoyed, comment if you got something to say, subscribe if you want to keep up to date on the build. Peace.